If your spouse resides in another state, you may not be able to file for child support in New York State. That will depend upon whether or not your spouse resided in New York State prior to moving away, and if you had children in New York State together. It may depend upon whether or not your spouse abandoned you and the children in New York State. There are a number of statutory provisions that have to be considered. If we can file for child support in New York State, it is our preference to file here because we'll be filing in a local court. You won't be traveling, we won't be traveling, you won't be providing testimony by telephone, which is possible in another state. If we cannot file in New York State, that is, if we do not have the jurisdiction over your spouse or ex-spouse required to file in New York State, you're going to have to file for child support through an interstate proceeding or actually even file in the other state. That depends upon the particular circumstances of your case. So those facts need to be examined thoroughly by you and your attorney together, and then a determination made as to the best way to file for child support in your case.